Hello everyone, this is AI Lit Review, where I cover key AI papers in a way you can listen to, not just read. Today's paper is ReAct, Synergizing Reasoning and Acting in Language Model. This is from 2022, and it's one of those papers that quietly shaped how we think about AI agents, even if it's a bit old now. So, what is the gist? At that time, most language models could either reason or act, but not really do both effectively. If you made them act, they could perform actions like search an object, retrieve it, or execute any other single commands, but often without explaining why and often failing the given task. If you made them reason, they would think step by step, but they lacked in action. ReAct, on the other hand, was ridiculously simple but clever. What if we let the model alternate between reasoning and acting inside one single prompt? So the prompt structure became something like this: thought, action, observation, thought, action, observation. This change made LLM based agents much more grounded. They could think, then act, then reflect on what happened. It's not really about reinforcement learning, although it could be used together with RL methods. It's more like a new prompting pattern, a cognitive loop where reasoning and acting feed into each other. And it turned out to be a big deal. And ReAct showed that reasoning traces like I should check X before deciding Y can guide what the model does next. For example, at the bottom right corner of the figure 2B, it shows what ReAct agents actually does inside the prompt. It first does thinking. So if you look at the think part, it says, first I need to find the pepper shaker. Maybe the task was to find the pepper shaker. And it thinks where to go, where to maneuver around to find the pepper shaker. It says the pepper shaker is more likely to appear in cabinets 1 to 6 and then counter types 1 to 3, blah, blah, blah. So it actually thinks about the action steps that it's going to take in the action part. And interleaving thinking and action, reasoning and action, helped quite a lot for the agent to achieve the final task. And if you look at the very bottom part of it, observation 11, you put pepper shaker 1 on the drawer. So it found the pepper shaker and put it on the drawer. So, yeah. So this interleaving reasoning and action laid the foundation for later systems like LLM agents, where reasoning, retrieval, and decision making all happen together, side by side. So ReAct might look outdated now, and it is outdated in some senses. It left a footprint. It taught us that for an AI to truly understand and interact with the world, it has to do both thinking and action, not just one of them. Thanks for listening. Next up, I'll talk about how this connects to RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. See you in the next one.